gadget, solar charge controller, LCD LED display, PWM battery charging, all necessary protections equipped, adjustable controlling parameters of the system, PWM solar charge controller for solar off-grid system, and this is a solar charge controller. Let us see the look for off-grid. Now we have the manual, including the manual, this is now the solar charge controller. Solar charge controller, PWM. Rated voltage 12 volts. So 12 volts, 10 ampere. Maximum PV voltage 50 volts. Maximum power, input power 130 watts. 12 volts. 260 watts at 24 volts. So this is the main controller. So here we have the MCU control, built-in timer, then set voltage, pull protect, arrow, plus, then for the bulb, USB charging for port. And then we have this is we're going to connect here the solar panel, positive, negative, and then here we have the positive, negative of the battery. So we need solar panel, battery, and then this one is the output lamp. I think this one is 12 volts. So this is we're going to use the wire to insert the wire here. There is screw provision at the side, and let us see the inside. Okay, there's a screw here. We're going inside. So this is the inside of the controller, solar charger. I think these three are MOSFETs that handles the output. And then for the screen, LCD or 3 push button. For the USB, so there is 2 IC inside behind the LCD. I think that one is either of the two is one of them is microcontroller.